So Hyperia is nearing completion. Yes, we're back down Monk's Walk again for another construction vlog, because why not? Well, I think we're literally a day away from Hyperia finally being completed. What are you saying, Hayley?
I'm excited to see the size of the lift hill. I think that for me will be the, oh shit, this is exciting now.
I think the lift hill will be near enough done today. And then I think it'll be the crest tomorrow. Today's Tuesday as we film, obviously tomorrow being Wednesday, so yeah. I think by Wednesday, Blackpool Pleasure Beach will no longer have the tallest coaster in the UK.
Yes. That being said, this will probably be the last Hyperia construction update from us, only because Chris and Sean are going to the Thorpe Park pass holder preview thingy on Sunday, so you'll see a lot more from there. So in terms of a Monk's Walk one, you won't see any more from us.
And the park is literally, what, 3 weeks away from being open, so yeah, then we'll be able to do a few updates from inside the park. Hopefully we might catch it testing one time. Yeah, exciting times are ahead for Thorpe Park, that is for sure. I will say that if you are coming down Monk's Walk, as you can see just coming up, it is still quite muddy. It's like sticky mud now, I'd call it. It's sticky mud. So we've just seen Nemesis Inferno they're testing. Yeah, all the most of the rides are testing today, and something very, very exciting is happening with Hyperia. Could potentially be finished today. We've seen pictures, it's looking exciting. So here we have it. Hyperia is nearing the very last bit. You can see the top, that's where they've got up to. They've just got the crest to go over the top to connect that bit to that bit. I'm not gonna lie, that final drop is absolutely insane. I think we've got some electrics going on at the minute. Yeah, it's looking incredible, absolutely incredible. I think they're just doing some electrical work on the brake run possibly. Go on the cherry picker up there. Look at that final drop, first drop. That is insane. Absolutely insane.
So we'll give you one final look at Hyperia in its current situation. So we've just got that last little bit left to go. So exciting.
So we're going to wrap the vlog up here from a very interesting day here at Hyperia at Thorpe Park.
I'm starting to get a little bit excited. I'm still not fully excited. I'm still more excited for Nemesis at the moment. However, I think once it's topped off and you can see it, you know, maybe after like your thing at the weekend, I think maybe I'll get more excited to be able to see it fully complete and the actual size of it. That being said, it's not going to be topped off today. It'll probably be in the next couple of days. But it's looking incredible, and one thing is for sure, it looks absolutely stunning in the sunshine.
There you go, her tune has changed, everybody.
Slightly.
It's slightly changed, you know.
Slightly.
Instead of having 10 dislikes, we might have a few 10 more likes.
Look, everybody's entitled to their opinion,
They
and
are.
at the minute, it doesn't mean I won't be. At the minute, I'm more excited for one thing over the other. Doesn't mean I'm not fully excited, just, you know,
There's nothing, regardless on what you think is a short layout, rubbish layout, whatever, that's impressive. And when you actually see it in person, when Thorpe Park opens on the 23rd, you'll be stunned, especially when it's completed, and hopefully you might even see a train test or two, you never know. It's going to be incredible. But with that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button.
And we'll see you in the next
adventure. Bye.
Bye.